Earth and universe. Let's start. We are going to discuss our solar system, moon and its phases, space travel, Earth and its rotation and revolution, solar and lunar eclipse, star and constellations. So, what is universe? Universe is a vast open space which include everything that exists at matter or energy. This is called space. Our Earth is also in space. The space क्या है? That is a vast open space where all the planets are existing. Okay. Our solar system consists of the sun, planets, moon and other heavenly bodies. Okay. So main source of energy is sun and their planets which are revolute around the sun. Moon is also including and some heavenly bodies. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. This is also the sequence from the sun to Neptune. Okay. Sequence of the planets, or you can say order of the planets. Mercury is the smallest planet and Jupiter is the largest planet. Mercury is smallest planet. Like this, all the planets have their different titles. Venus is brightest planet, Earth is the living planet, or you can say blue planet. Okay, Mars is red planet, Jupiter is the largest planet, Saturn is the giant planet. So Venus is the hottest planet. Venus is also called hottest planet, and it is also as morning and evening star. That's why it is called brightest planet also. Mars is called red planet. Pluto is called dwarf planet. Pluto is not including in the all 8 planet names, but it is the 9th planet and its name is dwarf planet. Okay, this is not included in the solar planet system, but it is the part of our universe and it is a heavenly body. It was also considered as the planet, but it does not fulfill all the properties of the planet. That's why it is out of planet series. Sun, it is a big ball of fire and burning gases. It gives us both light and heat. Living organisms on the earth depend on the light of the sun and heat of the sun to continue their life. So sun is very important for the living organism on the earth. Next is, what is earth? Earth is a moving all the time. We know that earth rotate or revolute. Earth rotate on its axis or on its imaginary axis and revolute around the sun in oval orbits. Okay, on oval orbits like sun, it moves around the sun. Rotation is the spinning movement of earth on its axis. This is rotation. It takes 24 hours to rotate. The rotation of earth goes day and night. So when earth rotates on the axis, it goes what? It goes day and night. So day and night on the earth due to the rotation on its axis. Okay, and revolution. There are main 2 types of movements, revolution and rotation. Revolution is the movement of earth around the sun in a fixed path. That is called orbit. This is called orbit. Okay, that is oval shaped. It takes about 365 days for earth to revolve around the sun. Revolution of the earth cause changes in the season. So seasons on the earth is depend upon revolution, or it is caused of revolution, and day and night are the causes by rotation. So these 2 are the important movement of the earth. Moon. Moon is the only natural site of the earth. So what is the natural site of earth? That is moon. It has no light and it's on, but it reflects the light of sun. That's why we can see moon in the night. Surface of the moon has huge crater on it. The shape of the moon seems to change every night. So it takes 15 days. Day 1, there is no light. We can't see the moon. Slowly it increases its size, and on 7th day it is half moon we can see. And after 7 days, it means on 14th day we can see full moon, full bright moon, round. And after that it will first he increase its size, and then after 15 days it decreases its size. So after full moon, it start decreasing its size. This is called gibbous moon and this is called crescent moon. Okay, and gibbous moon decreases its size, and after 14 days there is no moon in the sky, or it is dark. So this is the phase of 15 days of the moon. Man went to the moon for the first time in spacecraft, that is called Apollo. So first spacecraft in which man went to the moon is Apollo 11 in 1969. The first man who stepped on the surface of the moon was Neil Armstrong. We all know that this is very important question. The first man who stepped on the moon is name is Neil Armstrong. Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins also traveled in the Apollo spacecraft with Neil Armstrong. Okay, so there were 3 scientists who traveled in Apollo 11 in 1969. That was Edwin, that was Michael, and that was Neil Armstrong. But first step on the moon was Neil Armstrong, by Neil Armstrong. That's why he is the first man who stepped on the moon. Okay, so Neil Armstrong is the main name or main answer who stepped first on the moon surface. Now here we are going to discuss about eclipse. This is lunar eclipse and this is solar eclipse. So first we have to understand that how it occurs, lunar eclipse or solar eclipse. Before that we need to know that and earth revolute around the sun. Okay, and moon revolute around the earth. So when sun, earth and moon, the position is like this, there is lunar eclipse, sun's direct light on the earth. But in solar eclipse you can see that here there is sun, there is moon and there is earth. So when it was rotating, it comes between sun and earth. So this is called solar eclipse. Okay, sun's direct light is on the moon and moon's shadow is on the earth, but this is partial shadow. Okay, here it is partial shadow, here is the direct shadow. So then solar eclipse occurs. Okay, so this is the reason why lunar eclipse occur and why solar eclipse occur. So this is the diagram of both the eclipse. Next is stars. Stars are huge ball of fire. They appear as tiny dot of light because they are very far away from us. The sun is also a star. It is the star closer to the earth. So which star is closer to the earth? That is sun. Sun is star because it emits light. Group of stars from different shape in the sky called constellation. Okay, so what is constellation? That is the group of stars which create different shapes. This is the Orion shape, Orion constellation. This is like a big hunter, and this is the Big Dipper. Okay, this is also a constellation. So these are the different constellation in the sky. So let's check our questions. The earth spin around about on inclined imaginary line. Earth, this is we call main axis, and 23.4 degree earth is tilted. So this is imaginary axis and earth rotate around this imaginary axis of center. This line is known as axis. This line is known as axis. Option B is right answer here. Next is how long does it take light from the sun to reach earth? That take about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. It means when sunlight start from the sun, it reach on the earth in 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Which of the following constellation shows the shape of bear? Let's check. This is the Leo constellation which shows the shape of lion. This is the Ursa Major constellation and it is the shape of a bear, the great bear. Third one is this is Orion constellation and it shows the shape of hunter. And fourth one is the Scorpius. This is the Scorpius constellation and it shows the shape of Scorpio shape. Okay, so these are the different constellation, but the shape of great bear is the Ursa Major. Option B is right answer here. Next is dash is the brightest planet of the solar system. I already told you, Venus is known as morning or evening star or brightest planet of the earth. Saturn is known as giant planet. Okay, Mars is red planet, and Jupiter is the largest planet. Okay, so these are the different titles of the planet, but brightest planet is Venus. Next is, which of the following is an Indian astronomer? Aryabhatta is the Indian astronomer. Bhaskar is also. Varamirai also. So all of these are the Indian astronomer. Next is, identify planet X in the given sequence on the basis of distance from the sun. Distance from the sun. We need to check what is the sequence. First one is sun, and after that this is Mercury. Okay, after Mercury there is Venus, and after that it is Earth. After Earth it is Mars, and after Mars we have Jupiter, and after Jupiter we have Saturn. Okay, after Saturn there is Uranus, and after Uranus is Neptune. Okay, so this is the sequence of the planet from the sun. So first is Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, 4 Mars, 5th Jupiter, 6th Saturn, 7 Uranus, and 8th is Neptune. Okay, so which one is here? Question is Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune. Between Saturn and Neptune, which planet is here? Saturn is here and Neptune is here, and between them there is Uranus. So option is right answer here. Next is, dash is the constellation that resembles a hunter. First one is Ursa Major, and Ursa Major is resembled as the Great Bear. B is Leo, Leo resembles as lion. C is Orion, which resembles as a hunter. And fourth one is a Cassiopeia, that is resemble as a shadow. So for hunter there is Orion constellation. Option C is right answer here. Next is, shape of the moon that follow a full moon is follow a full moon. It means after that phase we get full moon. Full moon is fully illuminated phase of the moon, and it is followed by the gibbous moon. Okay, so it is waning gibbous moon. After that we get full moon. Okay, so this is right answer. B is right answer here. Next is, select the correct statement regarding the astronaut shown in the given picture. This is the picture of, yes, can you identify? This is Sunita Williams. Yes, she is the second woman of Indian origin which go into the space. Okay, and first woman was, do you know that? It was Kalpana Chawla from Indian origin which go into the space, and second is Sunita Williams. Next is, why is sun important to earth? Why is sun important to earth? So first, it provides light energy to green plants to make food. Absolutely right. Plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. Number 2 is, it provides heat to enable living things to survive on earth. This is absolutely right. This is the also important thing of the sun for earth, heat. Third one, it rotates around the earth to give us season. No, it revolute. Sorry, not sun revolute, earth revolute around the sun, not sun revolute. Okay, so this is wrong statement. So A is right answer here. 1 and 2 are the important things for the sun to earth. Question 11 is, which phase of moon is shown by X in the given picture? Look at the picture. This is the picture of earth and moon is revoluting around the earth. Here is 2 words you can see, waning or waxing. What is the meaning of waning? Waning means that decrease its size, decreasing. Okay, and waxing means increasing. Okay, so when it is waxing moon, it means it will come to the full moon. This is the waxing moon and it will come to the full moon. And when moon starts waning, it comes to gibbous moon and it gives the no moon phase. So these are this is the no moon or this is the full moon. Okay, so X represent what? X represent waning, because here is full moon and after that it is decreasing its size. So decreasing is the waning gibbous moon. Option B is right answer here. Next is, Rahat has noticed in his calendar 15th August full moon. Which shape of the moon should he most likely observe on 29th August? So 15th August, it means full moon. After 14 days, what I told you, after 14 days it will new moon or no moon. Option A is right answer here. So after 14 days, moon changes appearance completely. Okay. Next is the sun on the earth and moon are part of our solar system. At which of the four position W, X, Y, Z shown in the figure would be moon during the eclipse of the sun? When it is eclipse. So you can see that here is X, Y, Z and W. These are the different position of the moon shown in the figure. So when it is, they are saying it would be moon during the eclipse of the sun. When moon would be, where would be the moon? So during an eclipse of the sun, moon come in between the earth and sun. Okay. All three lie in straight line. I already told you in the figure. So it means the B, X is the position where it is moon. Light is coming here in this, and this is the straight line light. They are in straight line, but moon is between the earth and sun. So this is the position actually of the light. This is the partial eclipse and this is the full eclipse. Okay. B is right answer here. X is the position of the moon. Next is select the correct statement. A. Gravitational force of moon is 6 times than that of earth. Gravitational force of the earth is 6 times that of moon. Okay, this is opposite. That of moon, not earth. So this is the wrong statement. Due to tilt of the earth, different part of it do not receive some amount of heat and light. This is absolutely right. So this is correct statement. Third one, the number of days between the two consecutive half moon is 28 days. No, it is 14 days, not 28 days. Okay. After 28 days, it get its original appearance before 28 days. Okay. In between, after 14 days, it totally changed its appearance. So this is also incorrect statement. So 14 ka B is right answer. Next is fill in the blanks in the given paragraph with the word given in the box and select the correct option. Let's check. 24 hour, 1 year, atmosphere, axis, ozone layer, 2 years, stratosphere, 48 hours. So let's check what is the word given in the box and let's correct option here. Earth rotate on its own axis. We know that, and it takes dash for one rotation. For one rotation it takes 24 hours. Okay. It also move around the sun and take about 365 days or 1 year. Here 1 year is given but not 365 days. So we are considering 1 year. To complete the one revolution, the earth is covered by a layer of gases and this layer is called atmosphere. Okay. Stratosphere, the ozone layer, they all are the part of atmosphere. Okay. So this is the sequence. First one axis, 24 hours, 1 year and atmosphere. Option C is right answer here. Next, refer to the given Venn diagram and select the incorrect option regarding X, Y and Z. Here X is the heavenly body. It is visible in the night sky and it has its own heat and light. So it means it is a star. X is a star which is visible in the night sky and it has heat and light. Obviously it is heavenly body. Y is heavenly body visible in the night sky. Heavenly body and visible in the night sky, that is moon, and we can see moon and stars only. But star have its own light but moon does not have its own light. Okay. Z, heavenly body and he has its own heat and light. This is sun which is heavenly body and has its heat and light also. So let's check our options. A group of Y from pattern in the sky called constellation. Yes. no, group of, not Y, group of X, group of star pattern in the sky is called constellation. So this is wrong statement. This is incorrect statement. The surface of X has huge crater which are created by space rocks. This is also wrong statement, because moon has the huge crater on its surface that are created by the space rocks. So this is also wrong statement. See, the gravitational force of Z hold all the planet in the place. This is correct. Sun's gravitational force hold the all planets in the place. So both A and B are the incorrect option and right answer here. Okay, so D is the right answer. Next, the shape of the moon seems to be changing. What shape of the moon is expected to appear when A, the moon is between the earth and the sun? When the moon is between earth and sun, it means this is the shape. The side of the moon facing of the earth is fully illuminated by the sun. Then it will be like this. So it is A right answer. Okay, because moon side towards earth will not get light and thus will not be visible. So it will be a new moon. A full moon can be seen in any condition like this. So this is the right answer here. Next, object in space. Yes, given out its own light. So it can be stars or it can be sun. And yes, it is X. Or here we have no, revolves around the sun only. No. And here yes, life exists here, that is earth. It means because only Y is earth here. It gives its own light. It means it may be sun or stars, and Z is revolved around the sun only. It means it is a planet or it can be a moon. The incorrect option regarding the heavenly body. Let's check. It complete one rotation in 24 hours. This is right. Y complete one rotation in 24 hours. It rotates around its axis. It has revolution period of 365 days or 1 year. This is also right. It is located between Mars and Jupiter in our solar system. No, this is wrong. Earth is not located between Mars and Jupiter. Earth is located between Venus and Mars actually. It is between Venus and Mars. Okay. So Earth is third planet, Mars is fourth planet, and Venus is the second planet. Mercury is the first planet. So option C is the incorrect statement. Next, select the correct option regarding the heavenly body Z. A gravitational force of Z is 1/6 of Y's gravitational force. I told you that Z will be a moon. So its gravitational force is the 1/6 of the earth. Is it right or wrong? This is correct option actually. This is the right. Orbit Z is a circular path around X. I told you X will be a sun. This is moon and this is earth. So its circular path is around the earth, matlab around the Y, not X. So here will be Y. This is incorrect. C. Z completed its rotation around X in about 28 days. It completes its revolution, not rotation. Okay, because it revolute around the earth. Okay, in circular path. So this is also incorrect. Z has a smooth even surface. Many oceans and craters are there. G has a rough surface, not smooth surface, and it has full of craters, but there is no oceans on the moon. So this is also wrong statement. So correct option is only option A. Gravitational force of Z, it means gravitational force of moon is 1/6 of gravitational force of earth. Next is during solar eclipse. 1 comes between 2 and 3. Select the option that correctly identify 1, 2, 3 from the given picture. So during solar eclipse, this question is also based on the 18th question diagram. Here we have X sun, Y earth and Z moon. Okay, X sun, Y earth and Z moon. So select the option that correctly identify 1, 2 and 3 from the given flowchart. During solar eclipse, 1 come between 2 and 3. 1 means this is solar eclipse. If it is a solar eclipse, it means moon is here, earth is here and sun is here. Okay, this is sun. And it's light coming from here, this, like this and like this. This and this. Okay, and it makes like this hair spot. So moon comes between sun and earth. Okay, so here Z comes between X and Y. It means right answer is option B only. So kids, here we learn about the chapter Earth and Universe. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach. Don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.